Well, yeah.
Oh, it's right here, sorry.
Here, I don't know if we should anchor up though.
It's really easy to anchor. Look at this. That's a pretty nice size one, huh? Yeah. Oh my, dude. I think this guy's just a fighter, dude. He's a good fighter. And yeah.
I'm gonna save the chum until we get this fish on board.
Dude,
Listen, hey, look.
Let him fight it.
Hey, we can keep it, right?
You have to.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
Lost him.
No.
How sick was that, Flatty?
You feel the thing?
This fish will make this whole trip.
Reel it in, Tate.
Come on.
Pull up.
He's off. Oh no, he's not. See, they don't.
You're at leader. You're supposed to leader.
They don't want to come up, dude. They don't want to come up. Remember I told you about halibut?
All right,
Don't
Jay,
wanna
just
come up.
concentrate. Just let him work it, dude. And that's what it is. You're up. Oh, hey, yeah. Try to like get it out. Let him go. Let him get tired. Dude, this is.
Oh, I got him on a run.
Yeah, it's coming out. That was good. That was a good one.
Oh!
That was a good one. Nice.
It's a bat ray. It's a bat ray.
Is it? Let's see.
Yeah, it's a bat ray.
Bat ray.
Look at that.
Look at that sucker, dude.
Tell me there's no sharks out here.
That's alright. That's why I hate shoes like this. How should we do it? We're just gonna cut it?
Yeah.
You want a towel? Ready?
Hold on.
In my bag.
Shit.
You got fires, Reed?
If the line just broke off.
Alright, hey, good job. You guys
Yes!
fight, dude. Ray, bro. I'm telling you, this thing's fighting.
There you go. It is. Whoa, look at that.
Oh, it's like a
leopard shark.
6-foot shark.
Leopard shark.
Oh my gosh! Oh, dude, get this! Get this, bro! Oh my god!
This thing's giant.
Dude! Oh my god!
I don't know.
Dude, we're not gonna be able to get this on the boat. Oh my gosh!
Bring it back this way. Bring the net.
Oh, you're videoing, Dylan?
Oh,
Okay.
it's too big for your net.
I think it's.
Whoa! Wait, shark?
Take your time, babe.
No way.
What is it?
No.
Oh my god.
Is that a bass?
It's a bass?
No way!
Oh my
Get the
god.
net.
Get the net.
Let me see the net.
Let Daddy do it.
Oh my
Holy
God, get right
crud!
here.
Wait, I can't see. I want to see it.
Get it.
Oh my god!
Get it.
Oh my god!
Can you see him? Red dog, is the red dog going?
Yep. How you doing, Dylan?
Good.
What'd you get there?
Solid
Just a little fish.
15-pound bag.
Yeah, dude,